Hello engineers, hope you are investing your time in learning different manufacturing processes so that you get better day on day. Today in this video, I would love to talk about compression molding or specifically rubber compression molding. There are many different types of process to manufacture rubber parts, which I have given in the link below. This video gives you various type of manufacturing process used to manufacture rubber parts. Well, about compression molding. Compression molding is a manufacturing process of rubber where compressed force is used to shape a material, rubber material, to fit into the cavity of the mold. Well, if I give you example, this is a gasket, this is a bellow rubber, then this you can see one type of medical product, then you can see these are the seals, pipe seals, then you can see these are some kind of rubber pads, then again seals and some kind of feet. Then we have got this rubber spring used in the trains, bogies. So what is compression molding? Well, if you see the image below, that image shows that there are two half of the mold, and when that mold is preheated to, say, according to the rubber material 160, 170 or 200 degrees, whatever is the required according to rubber curing temperature. But there are three main parts, like a mold, and then when mold having a two half of the cavity, and then a preheated rubber is placed into it, the mold is preheated, and when when the mold is pressed and the heat, where the molten material, the rubber gets melted and fills the cavity because of the pressure. And when we open the mold after some time, so whatever the time is required for the curing, that is called as vulcanization process. When you open the mold, you get the desired cavity, and the excess material flows in the air vents or in the groove, that is a cutting groove. So when you open the mold and you get the part, say example, this type of part is there will be a excess flow on the parting line. And the parting line is where the two half of the mold meets, and then at that parting line you will get that excess rubber, and then you can pull it where the trim grooves are applied. So compression molding is a very cheap process. One advantage of compression molding is it is a cheap process. Two, it can mold complex parts, that is having 2 or 3 or 4 parting lines, like 3D parts it can do. Third thing, it doesn't require very huge machinery, like as MTR, injection molding and other molding are very costly, and it integrate products can be molded very easily. So if you think of the compression molding, it is very simple process, and rubber parts can be molded according to the number of cavities in the mold. Say example, if you have a 16 by 16 inch press machine, so you can fit a 16-inch mold on it. Accordingly, you can fit the cavities and you can mold the process. So this is kind of compression molding process. In the coming video, I will go in the design of the mold for compression molding. You can see many things related to rubber in this event follow. So follow this link, follow our page, and we will try to make a rubber molding very easy for everyone. Thanks, Sam, and have a wonderful day.